Hello?
Hello, how are you?
Good.
You called me. It's Coach Tyler.
I know, but I'm watching you live and you're already on a different call.
I'm talking to you right now, though. That's impossible.
I'm watching your live, so I thought I would call in because you said call in if you have a question.
Absolutely. I called you back. What's your question?
Oh, my question is, okay, so I've been working out for the last 5 years. My lowest weight that I got was 148. I'm 57 years old. I work out like crazy, but in the last 3 years, my weight has been increasing. Now I'm up to 169.
My Fitness Pal is free. You don't need to pay to upgrade
it.
it.
To lose weight. So I thought, well, what am I doing wrong? It's all in my nutrition. So what is my calorie count that I should be at if I work out every day, an hour and a half, 6 days a week? I'm consistent 6 days a week. I'm 169 pounds. I should be back into the 140s.
Why should you weigh 140? Where are you getting that magical number from?
Well, because I weighed 148 and I felt fantastic.
So what if you weigh 180 but you feel amazing and you love the body that you have?
I don't feel amazing right now because I've gained weight because of my nutrition. I lost my family to cancer and I started eating like crazy at night.
I got you. What I'm speaking 100%. Straight up asking you this question. What if the scale says 200, but you love the body that you have, that you see in the mirror, you have all the self-confidence in the world, you fit into the clothes that you fit into, you feel amazing, but the scale says 200, are you still going to be upset?
Well, no. If I fit in my clothes and I look amazing, sure, I'll be happy.
Perfect. Don't have a goal weight then. That's the whole point of what I was trying to get at. How old are you?
I'll be 57 this year.
Say 57?
Yes.
Love it. How tall?
I'm 5'2".
And then how many days a week are you working out?
6 days.
Are you doing weights and cardio or just weights?
I do weights in the morning with a gal, and then I hop on my Peloton bikes for 20 minutes or 30 minutes.
Damn, girl.
I know. I love it. It's what's kept me sane going through the loss of my family.
Whatever you got to do, I love it. How many calories are you currently taking in right now?
Well, I was told to have 1,700 to lose weight.
Yeah, that's
body fat.
Yeah, that's a good happy medium. So whoever told you that actually knows what they're talking about. So that's good. So what are you currently eating? What are your meals like every day?
Well, this last week I've been eating really clean and doing exactly what you're saying, and I've lost 6 pounds actually.
Then why the hell are you calling me?
Well, I'm calling you because I
You're doing amazing. You're down 6 pounds in 1 week. You're 57 years old. You're crushing it.
I know, but you're so motivational, and I love your protein powder. I bought this protein powder, this something one, and I got it in the mail, and I looked on the ingredients, and it's full of all these artificial sweeteners. And then so that's why I asked you, is your protein powder have stevia in it? Because I want to have a nice tasting protein powder. I'm looking for that.
Yeah, it's stevia, it's 0 sugar, gram of carbs, 13 grams of MCT oil. I formulated it in a basement. I'm just kidding, I did not. It's FDA approved facility, all of that, made in the United States. Anyways, if you like triple dark chocolate, that is what I have in stock right now. So I would order that right now because I'm going to sell out in the next 2 days. Honestly, I'm almost out of stock. There's a protein shortage right now. I'm not hard selling you, but I'm so dead right now. I thought you were calling in needing help, but no, you're crushing it. You started doing what I talk about. You're down 6 pounds in a week, 57 years old.
Thank you. Well, I stopped my midnight snacking. That's what was putting the weight on me.
Well, it's what you're snacking on, and every snack isn't a good snack unless it's your significant other, and then we're going to be burning more calories anyways.
Yeah, I've been watching you, and you're very motivational, and I love your lives, by the way. I love listening to you. You have a lot of things that I really admire in nutrition and all that good stuff.
I appreciate it. It means the world. I guess I'm really motivational. I made you call me, and then I called you back, and you're like, I didn't call you.
I did.
I literally made you call me. You didn't even know why you called me.
Well, no, I was watching your live, and wasn't sure if you were really live gonna take a call. That's why, because I was like, oh, I need to call this person because he's very knowledgeable.
So use and abuse me, girl. What do you need?
I want your protein powder.
Oh, well then order it.
Okay, I will.
This has been my favorite call, I think, my entire life.
Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I do struggle with nutrition. That's my biggest struggle. But it's.
What do you mean struggle? You're killing it. You're down 6 pounds and you're 57 years old. Do you know how many 40-year-olds are like, oh, I'm old, I can't lose weight? Well, we got set 57 over here, down 6 pounds in a week, kids.
Thank you. I appreciate that. It feels good, actually, to actually stick to a plan.
And has it been pretty easy just doing meat and veggies and tracking calories?
Yes, I got off my sugar addiction.
How long did that take?
It took about 4 days.
See, I love it. I say 3 to 5. People think I'm lying to them, and they're like, "There's no way this works." And people literally do it for 2 weeks to prove me wrong, and they're like, "All right, I'm getting amazing results. I did this to prove you wrong, and it's not working."
Yeah, it works. It works, and lots of veggies, lots of lean meats, and weighing everything out helps a lot because you realize how much you're eating. I wasn't realizing how much I was eating, so all that stuff is common sense. It makes sense.
So simple. It's easy, and you're crushing it.
Thank you.
Hey, absolutely. Talk soon, and can't wait for you to get True Meal. If you're really in California, are you in California?
I'm in Las Vegas.
You'll get it. If you order right now, you'll get it Tuesday.
Cool. Okay, I'll order some.
Awesome. Talk soon.
Okay, thank you.
You got it. Bye.
Bye.
Oh my God, that was my favorite call ever. That was amazing. First, I call her back. She's like, hello? And I even was like, what's up? How are you? I'm good. Who's this? How do I get another 600 calories in? I'm supposed to be 2,200 calories. I'm at 1,300 now. 15 ounces of chicken thighs. Not even 12-ounce chicken thighs. You have 10 ounce. Yeah. 12 ounces of chicken thighs. What else you guys got? What cues you guys have? Like I said, people are just calling in.